What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you would be changing out your Key FOB battery on a Chevy Equinox. It's probably the same for about the 2018, about the 2021. First thing you're going to want to do, press the little button on the side right here. You'll see the little silver button right here that'll basically releases your actual key itself, just in case you couldn't get into your vehicle. You set that aside, and now what you have is your key fob like this. The part right here to where the key slid out of, all you want to do now is take like a flathead screwdriver, stick it into this hole. If you have a big enough end on that flathead, you can kind of take it and kind of turn it to the side where you see it kind of open some. Then once it like that, just kind of lift up like that. So I turn to the, put it straight in, turn it to the side, then I press down like that, and pretty much it opens up the key fob like this. Then it'll come open. It'll look like that. And if this thing right here is loose like that, don't worry about that. All you have to do is just, or if you opened up this way, you could just now just lift all of this, keep this in order. And if this piece right here, see how I lift all this out like that? And once you lift all that out of it, your battery will be right here. And all you gotta do then is take like your flathead screwdriver, pop your battery out. And the size that you need looks like it is a, let you see it. That's the size that you will need. Let me get a good look at it. Looks like it's a CR2032. That's the size you would need, is a CR2032 pretty much. So when you get your new battery, you want to come back to the part that you took the battery out of. You want to put the part down. You want the plus on the battery to face down inside the key fob. So you put that side down in it, kind of want to put it and pop it. You hear like a little pop once you do that. Pretty much the battery's in. Then all you got to do now is just take this part right here, exactly as you took it out, place it right back in there, like that. Make sure this little piece right here is lined up evenly. Everything's set nice and flush. You kind of look at it, make sure it looks nice and flush inside of there. Then once you do that, just take the other side of it, lay it on top of it, just like that. Also, if you look to the side right, you see this little opening right here. That's where that little button's going to fit down inside. It should slide right into that spot. You just want to take it, make sure it's nice and lined up. Then when you get it pretty good, look all around it. Then all you want to do now is just snap it back together, just like that, and pretty much you'll be done. Go ahead and put your key back in it and go on outside and test it. You should be good. All right, folks, once again, this is how you would change out your battery on a Chevy Equinox Key FOB battery. All right, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks, and hit the bell. Thanks.